Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to move your crypto from Binance to your Metamask wallet? Whether it's for a DeFi stacking or NFTs, I will show you the exact steps to transfer safely and correctly, even if you are a beginner. Before we begin, here's what you need: a Binance account with crypto in it, a MetaMask browser extension or mobile app installed, the correct network added to MetaMask depending on the token like Ethereum, BNB chain, or Polygon. First of all, open MetaMask wallet, then log into your account. Then make sure you are on the correct network, example BNB chain for BNB or BEP20 tokens. Click the address at the top to copy it. Look like that. Wait a minute. This is where you will send the funds from Binance. Never share your seed phrase. Only share your public wallet address. Now go to Binance and log into your account. Tap or click on Spot from Wallet section. Find the crypto you want to send like USDT, BTC, or BNB. Click on it. Choose the crypto carefully. Your MetaMask must support the token and network. Click Withdraw. Select USDT. Then enter your address. Here's the most important part: entering the right address and network. Paste your MetaMask address in the recipient address. Select the network that matches MetaMask's. For Ethereum tokens, ERC20. For BNB chain, BEP20. For USD, for Polygon, select MATIC. For Arbitrum or others, make sure MetaMask has that network added. Warning: if you choose the wrong network, your funds could be lost permanently. Now enter the amount. You want to send. Binance will show a small withdrawal fee. Double check the address, double check the network, then tap or click withdraw from the space. You may need to verify by SMS or email for security. After confirming the transaction will be processed, go to transaction history from your Binance account in to track status. Go to wallet, then transaction history. Most transfers take between 30 seconds to 10 minutes depending on the network. You can also check the status using a block explorer like BSC scan for BEP20, Ether scan for ERC20, Polygon scan for MATIC. Once confirmed, open your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you are on the same network used in the transfer. Your token should appear in your wallet. If the token doesn't show up, click import then token. Then click import token, then paste the contract address from a site like CoinMarketCap or the official token page. Here are some final tips to keep your crypto safe. Always double check the wallet address, triple check the network compatibility. Don't send unsupported tokens to MetaMask. Start with a small amount if it's your first time. Save your private keys securely, never share them. If you are sending crypto using a non-default network like BNB Chain Polygon, you will need to manually add that network to MetaMask. Open MetaMask, click on the network drop-down at the top center. Select Add a Network, fill in the required details. Example, BNB Smart Chain, network name, BNB Smart Chain, RPC URL, https bhc dataset.binance.org, chain ID 56, symbol BNB, block explorer https bscan bcs bscscan.com. Then click Save, and you will be able to switch to that network in MetaMask. Sometimes the token doesn't automatically show up in MetaMask. Here's how to add it manually. Copy the token contract address from CoinMarketCap. Then open MetaMask and scroll down, tap import token, paste the address, and that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.